I love embroidery. I still do it. So that doesn't mean मैं वो हिंदी फिल्मों की मदर की तरह बैठ के चकला वो चला रही हूँ मशीन. Nothing of that sort. When I said, see, Dabbu, I want to ask you something. You have a problem of my direction. You think some camera moments and these are not. No. He said, nothing of that sort. I said, no, I've heard you. On the monitor, I can hear you. You've got a mic. So if you have a problem, you talk to me directly. She had troubled me so much. And then one day I told her, I said, why are you doing this? Why? She said, I'm just making you a better assistant, my dear. And I was a very good assistant, I have to say. Picked up a card, he got a correct card and he declared. So he won the money. So he said that, yeah, you're so lucky for me, I think I should marry you. What do you think, should we get married? Dilip Kumar and Ashok Kumar, they used to trouble me so much. I was supposed to give a clap when they are both in the frame. So I went and I did my number and everything. I clapped and I'm trying to move the clap and it wouldn't move. I couldn't get it out. And then they are both holding it here from down. और वो हट ही नहीं रहा है मेरे से clap and they're both laughing. You know, see, we were not getting along for quite some time. I would say that. And I've always said that it wasn't only because of Shabana. Not at all. Farhan's I was shocked. Yeah. Because I never thought that he could write. Or he wants. I always thought कि acting बहुत करता है. School में भी जाके बेहोश हो जाना and all that. You know, all that nonsense he used to do. So I said, ये actor बनने का इसको कीड़ा है. ये actor बनेगा. But when I got to know that he's written a script. So I said, who do you want for it? He says, Amir. I have left 2 films because the director and the producer have not come on time. Things I can't take is if somebody changes, adds something of their own in the screenplay, or dialogues also double meaning. I have taken my name out from those films.